Hey folks, I have my regular garden, but I also have different things around the yard. This is just my romaine lettuce. Um, Absolutely love this type of lettuce. The leaves are nice and large right now, and I've actually have harvested some off of here. But what I did is I have 6 plants. I'm not sure what was going on with this one, but it started growing again. But I have 6 plants that I bought, and even though I did say I started harvesting, I didn't harvest like I used to do. I used to come out, take the whole thing up, or maybe two up, make a salad. But now, when I want a salad, I just come along and take some leaves off, leave the rest of the plant, and I can easily triple the amount of lettuce just by doing that. Because once I take some leaves off, it will continue to grow. Just a good idea to save some money and more than triple your food. Farm Marshall, let's get out there and get a little dirty.